There's a bit of an Alice in Wonderland awe kind of feel to the piece. The fish are larger than life. The octopus is just this breathing, kind of heaving, colorful texture. This is definitely, I think, an ideal spot for that in Houston.
When the cars move by, the train moves by, and people move by, it bleaches the image.
The images become white and kind of ghostly. It's really challenging as an artist to think about what the role of art is, how to cultivate a sense of agency when faced with such a huge problem. That's really what the essence of this piece is, bringing things that are invisible to the surface, understanding our relationship to these larger ecosystems.